Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is 104th birth anniversary of Satish Dhawan. Professor Satish Dhawan was an Indian rocket scientist who was born in Srinagar, India. He was born on 25th September 1920 in Srinagar in the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir, present-day Jammu and Kashmir, India, in a Saraiki Hindu family. He is considered by the Indian scientific community to be the father of experimental fluid dynamics research in India and one of the most eminent researchers in the field of turbulence and boundary layers. He succeeded Vikram Sarabhai, the founder of the Indian Space Program, as chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO in 1972. He was also the chairman of the Space Commission and secretary to the Government of India in the Department of Space. He has carried out pioneering experiments in rural education, remote sensing and satellite communications areas considered to have a direct bearing on a common man's life. The Satellite Launch Center at Sriharikota was named after Professor Satish Dhawan following his death in the year 2002. He is credited for setting up the first supersonic wind tunnel in India at IISc. He also pioneered research on reliminarization of separated boundary layer flows, three-dimensional boundary layers and trisonic flows. Professor Satish Dhawan carried out pioneering experiments in rural education, remote sensing and satellite communications. His efforts led to operational systems like INSAT, a telecommunications satellite, IRS, the Indian Remote Sensing Satellite and the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle that placed India in the league of space-faring nations. Now it's time for the practice question. During Professor Satish Dhawan's tenure as ISRO chairman, which major achievement laid the groundwork for India's future space missions? Launch of GSAT, development of PSLV, Chandrayaan-1 launch, Mangalyaan Mars mission. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.